And yeah, as you told, what do you think? Like AI is good or bad? Just asking. Bad. How you can say bad? Let's clear our principal question first. So we asked that I wanted to know the difference between AI and yes, anyone? Anyone?
Naveen.
We should start from there only because we told that we wanted to know what is the difference between AI and ML, right? The time we asked, that is something I am processing in my mind. So how should I convey students that what is the difference between AI and ML? Yes, anyone? Anyone? Don't hesitate. Tapparu paravilla. Please speak it up. If you don't speak it up, means it will not an interaction session. It will be like one lady. At least mobile check maadu. Yes.
Naveen, check maadu.
Come on, because I know finally because I am taking the project and we are building everything based on Python and ML, right? Don't say AI. AI never comes like that. Okay? We are building based on Python and ML, right? Yes. And what is AI? Artificial intelligence. What do you think? Artificial. What is artificial? Yes, not original, not a living thing, right? Not a living thing. We are not living thing, living humans. We are not living things. We are living humans. Okay? And there will be no living robots, but they are artificial robots, and they are artificial robots. Got it? That is the thing. Artificial intelligence means where the developer, otherwise the programmer, give instructions directly to the system to behave as per his requirements. Understood? Understand? Okay, I told artificial intelligence. Okay, what is artificial intelligence? Now, please, you tell what is machine learning. See, if you don't speak it up, it will be not boring session, 100% boring session. What is ML? Machine learning. That is not the definition. Okay, it is subset, but that is not a definition, right? Okay, I tell. No worries. ML means machine learning. Machine learns, right? You have to give. We are doing a project called retailer price prediction. Final year, Vikas and his team is doing that project, where we have to give input. Okay, input now machine learning ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೇಟಾನ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡೇಟಾನ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಟಾ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ವೆದರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ವೆದರ್ ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you wanna predict the future weather means you have to give history, data history. I mean 2 to 3 years data you have to collect it. So this date, this day, this is the weather, this is the variation, this is the temperature, this is the what we say coldness. All those things comes under that file, that CSV file. That CSV file will be given as input to the machine learning. Got it? Understanding? Yes. You have to give input. ಆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ನ ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಗೋರಿದಮ್, ಏನು ಅಲ್ಗೋರಿದಮ್ ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಮಷೀನ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ algorithms. Without algorithms, there is no machine learning. Please remember this. Okay. So that is how we do. Okay. Got it. Algorithm. K-N ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಾ? K-N? Anyone? Regression? Please. See, all those there are n number of algorithms. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ when we took last session, Delphi first right? ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಯಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಇದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದು ದೇ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ದೇ ಡಸಂಟ್ ನೋ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಟು ದೇಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಡೂ ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ದೇ ಗಾನ್ ಹೋಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ದೇ ಕೇಮ್ ದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದ್ರು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಯಾ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಷೀನ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಡೇಟಾನ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಗೋರಿದಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಂಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸರ್ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಯೂಸರ್ ಅದು ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಮಷೀನ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಸಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ 99%. ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅದು ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ predicting this using AML, predicting this using deep learning, predicting this using neural networks. ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಾ ತಾನೆ? Yeah, that is how we do. Yes. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈಗ AML ಗೂ AI ಗೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ML ಗೂ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆನಾ? Sir, if sir comes and asks means you have to speak it up.